I'm from a group.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
No, Tracy's like, I'm not
you learn
seeing
about
that.
ridge runners, I learn about jeans, so.
Yeah, well, hey, the point is we're all learning on the show. We're going to continue to learn on the show. Tracy and I like to use this term kind of a gateway food. If you aren't sure if you like Thai food or if you've never tried it, this burger that Cerisa is going to tell us all about might be a great way to get an introduction to the Thai cuisine. Good to have you. And of course, you're the finalist for the Hottest Kitchen Entrepreneur Challenge. Good to see you, Linda. Thanks for sticking around. Again, this is the second year for the challenge. This year, it seems like we're getting a little bit more variety as far as food is concerned.
And some flavorful foods.
Lots of flavor. Cerisa, tell me a little bit about some of the misconceptions people might have about Thai food, as far as what it is and what it isn't.
Well, actually, people thought that Thai food is spicy, but you can make it from mild to extremely spicy. And today I bring Thai cuisine mixed with burger, American burger.
Cool.
And it's mixed with curry. And you can see here that we have fresh ginger.
Oh, wow.
And cilantro.
Love ginger.
So, and also in the burger itself, I mix with diced green bean. So, I'm sorry, I already make burgers.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it, girl.
I couldn't show you how to cook it. But what you do is you add green lettuce in there.
Okay.
And burger look just like regular burger, but it has a lot of health benefit because Thai food has mixed with Thai spices and curry.
And curry is one of those things, too, that if you think, well, maybe I don't like curry, maybe you should try it again. I'm just going to say it's because there are a lot of different health benefits.
Yes.
In fact, she was kind enough to make this printout. Lots of good information, guys. We're talking about the 8 different health benefits of curry. And one of them that I was familiar with, and there's a lot that I'm not, but the ease the swelling in the joints. In fact, I mean, I take a supplement to do that. Of course, you could just eat the food.
Yeah,
that's an option too, right?
Yes,
maybe it would be a little more enjoyable. But okay, so it seems like with Thai cuisine, we're talking about a lot of vegetables, a lot of freshness. That's really important.
Yes, yes, for sure. And today it's going to be a new thing for American that. Even success, then you will find it in grocery. You can just have it. People believe that at least if you take it at least 2 or 3 times a week, it will help increase immune system in your body.
Very cool.
And the immune system is help with reduce risk of cancer and help with burn fat and help with your skin appearance too.
A lot of really important health benefits to eating the variety of Thai food. Now, Linda, there's I don't know how you narrowed it down to the 3, but you did. You managed to, and they're just 3 rock stars. So what happens from here?
On Friday at 2 o'clock, they're all 3 of them are going to have samples for the judges, and they're going to have conversation with the judges, and then they'll select a winner.
And then just kind of go from there, huh? I'm going to get a knife and cut this in half because, where are the knives? It's just like the kitchen at home. I never know where anything is. Where happened to the knives? Well, okay, so last year's winner, remind us who that was. I mean, I know, but remind everybody at home in case they forgot.
Last year, we had someone who made dog food. Humans could eat it too.
It was, because I tasted it.
Yeah, it was a frozen dog treat, and she actually has done very well. She has been, she started her business last year and is in several markets now.
Very cool. So see, it's a lot of incentive to give this a try. Oh, see, shoot, now I don't want to cut it.
Oh,
she put all the fresh ginger there. Guys, you know how it goes. We're going to put all this information on IndieStyle.tv, and of course, once you guys have a winner, I'm sure you're going to make that formal announcement on Friday or maybe Monday.
Probably on Friday.
Hey, on Friday? Hey, guys, when we know, we'll let you know. How about that? All right, coming up, we're going to talk about great